What if there were a way to instantly gain the energy of someone 20 years younger? It comes down to a hormone that powers your growth from the moment you are born. If I can, let me show you what HGH does. It's so fundamentally important to us staying youthful and vital, and we lose so much of it as we age. Okay. So when you're young and you're producing it normally, you look inside the brain, there's this pea-sized structure in the bottom of the brain called the pituitary gland, and it secretes human growth hormone. That growth hormone goes all over the body the way it's supposed to. In fact, it goes down, for example, to the blood vessels to where you make fat. And it sits next to those fat cells, and guess what it does? It shrinks them down because it says, I want that energy for other things, like, for example, my muscles. What happens as we get older? As we age, the pituitary gland begins to shrink and it starts making less of that growth hormone. So what happens? The fat cells, they start growing faster because the growth hormone's not there. Our muscle begins to shrivel up. We look frail. And our skin, it lacks that balanciness. It begins to get those deep crevices that we call wrinkles.
How long have you been taking HGH for?
I went to see Dr. Rice when I was 48, so 12 years.
12 years. So you, wait a minute.
I'm going to be turning 60. I'm kind of famous on national TV. Oh my God. I'm going to be turning 60 this summer, June.
You are going to be turning 60.
And I haven't done this yet either.
You haven't had any facelift or anything? You guys could be sisters.
To me, this is more natural.
Because it's something that the body makes.
Your body makes it. And so I went to see him because I was having perimenopausal symptoms, foggy thinking, my vitality didn't seem the same, my drive, ambition, everything was calming down a bit.
And since being on it, what do you...
It was like a light switch. I mean, I felt it instantly.
The most important thing about HGH, and I think a lot of people should really be aware of it, is it takes off the wear and tear, especially if you're an athlete. The amount of beating that your body takes, the power to recuperate is very, very limited.
It isn't happening. I am waking up at the crack of dawn and I feel so refreshed, like I'm on vacation. Like I just had the best sleep of my life. And I don't want to lay in bed. Like I've got energy, I'm hopping out of bed, I'm ready to go.
I am so excited. I'm over 5 weeks on the HGH gel and I feel so amazing. My energy every single day is better than the last. I sleep like a baby. My skin has gotten so much tighter. I will be 47 in just a couple months and my skin has improved. It's really supple. I have more moisture in my skin and actually all over my body.
I had my knees crushed in a forklift accident about 4 months ago. And since I've been using this gel, I've been able to run up the same flight of stairs that I was taking one step at a time just 1 month ago. I had my face paralyzed in a surgery in 2015 and it left my ear deaf also. I regained movement in my face and I regained hearing in my ear. A month ago, I was taking these one step at a time. I could barely go up and down them. That's the power of the gel.